Hey man, what's going on? So I know y'all see us back at the rooftop. If y'all see that little shit on my head, it's because I just filmed the POV drive and I didn't have like. I usually wear my mask, so that shit don't happen. But this is my head mount. But you know what I'm saying? We back at our spot. You know what that means? So we're doing another mod video today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know about the title, but we're just gonna get into it. But yeah, if y'all haven't seen the video that I'm talking about, my POV drive in the rain, go check it out. You know what I'm saying? It's a pretty good video actually. I did some good sliding and everything. So if y'all want to see that, I'll leave in the link in the description. All right, so let's get started into this one. All right, here we go. So as y'all see, we got some purple RGB lights. You know what I'm saying? They just plug in right here. They just plug in right there, and then they're gonna go all up through here. So let's get started. I hope it turns out good. You know what I mean? I have zero expectations. I've watched zero YouTube videos on this like I should have, but we gonna learn together, so fuck it. Let me put this on. So you know what I'm saying? We finna open this up right here. So what it comes with, I already opened it. So you just plug the lights into the power supply right here, and then you plug this into your car. I don't know if I should see what the color looks like before I set it up. I'm gonna just try it real quick. I gotta put in accessory. These shits ain't bright at all, bruh. That's cool though. Alright, so y'all already see what it looks like. We gonna put it up right now. We just gonna plug it in real quick.
Okay, these are not bright at all. I kind of played myself. Hold on, let's open this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll be brighter. I hope. I looked at the reviews on this shit. It said it was pretty good. I'm just trying to untie this little thing. So zip tie. And it's getting hot in here, but I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we're gonna untie it, but only enough to where we can like put it in here for real.
So where can we first put it in there? Right there. So like right here, gotta make sure everything's in. I'm not gonna lie, it is hot, bruh. I'm gonna have some messed up fingers, you feel me? It's worth it. So, how's it going? We're just putting it right here, and then we're gonna put it all over this part to right there. I might have to cut it or some shit. But yeah, because I definitely don't need the whole thing. But yeah, let's just keep going. All right. I just don't know when to come up on me, bro. This shit, all right. Man, these are not bright whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie. All right. So we're moving along over here by the wheel. We already got it up here, but all we need to do is just keep it right there. Motherfucking brightness up. That's it, man. It's I'm not gonna lie, it's really not that good. Which kind of makes me sad. Maybe during the nighttime it'll be a little better if I close this. I don't know, man. They're just not bright at all. Damn. I need to get some different ones for sure, man, cause look at that, man. And it makes that annoying ass shit. Like, hear that? I don't like that, bro. But yeah, we can get the thumbnail real quick. Gotta put that in track mode for the thumbnail. But yeah, man, this shit was kind of a flop. I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking it off right now. I need to get some different lights. Damn, bruh. We still clickbaiting this bitch, because if you get the right lights, it's gonna look crazy. So still get lights, but do research. Probably watch a YouTube video of someone who has them. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Kind of salty about this, not gonna lie. This is probably the video I was most excited about for my mods. I only got like 1 or 2 more mod videos after this, and then I gotta go out and buy a bunch of shit. But yeah, I'm kind of annoyed, not gonna lie. It's all good. We gonna try. We gonna look for some different lights, you know what I mean? And that's gonna do it. Hopefully the next lights I get is gonna look crazy, because I mean, y'all can just type in on YouTube right now, like charger with interior lights. Some of those look crazy. So I gotta see what kind of lights they're getting. But yeah, so it's all good. These weren't that expensive either way. They're like 20 bucks. But yeah, that's gonna do it. We gonna get this shit. Look, watch the difference when I unplug it. There's no difference, bruh. The color is the color. Like, you feel me? Like, the purple color is the purple shit. Man, it's cool. But yeah, we gonna put this over here, and that's gonna do it, man. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Happy New Year's. Depends on when y'all watching this, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I mean, man. Just be safe, have fun. 2023, we're gonna go up. This channel, we're gonna go crazy. We hitting 10K in 2023. Mark my words, bro. We gonna hit 10K the quick way. But first, give me the 1K the quick way. We are like 800 something right now. Let's hit 1K by February. Let's see if we can do that, man. I'm really reaching for 1K, bro. Because as soon as we pass 1K, I know that we can grow. So, you know, go check out my last video. My first mod, that one's doing really good right now. And then, you know, I'm gonna drop my sliding video. I don't know if I'm gonna do 2 today. I'll probably drop this after my sliding video. So y'all are probably seeing this New Year's Day, the day after New Year's, one of those days. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe is free. It really helps the channel. And yeah, that's gonna do it. So I'll see y'all. Peace.